In this example, we're going to focus on solving a rational equation. A rational equation is simply an equation where the variable is located in a denominator. As you can see in this example, our variable p is present in all three denominators. Okay, so the strategy for solving an equation like this is similar to solving a linear equation with fractions. So the first thing we're going to do is eliminate the fractions. So remember that fractions indicate division, something divided by something else. And the opposite of dividing is multiplication. So the way that we're going to eliminate division, or in this case fractions, is by multiplying. And we're going to multiply by the thing that's being divided. So here's the idea here. We want to find the common denominator of all the fractions. Okay, so we see that the denominators are 2p plus 3 and p minus 2. We have another 2p plus 3, but I don't need to repeat that here. So first thing I want to ask myself is, can I factor either of these denominators? And the answer is no. Is one denominator the multiple of another? And the answer is no. So in this case, the common denominator is just going to be the product of these two factors. So what I'm going to do is multiply this entire equation by this product right here. So I'll copy down the equation. Make sure you multiply the entire left-hand side and the entire right-hand side. And don't forget your use of parentheses. Those parentheses can make a huge difference. Okay, so on the left-hand side, don't forget to distribute. Okay, so here I've distributed that product into every term in this equation, and now you can see that some of these factors are going to cancel and eliminate our fractions. So maybe I'll use a highlighter for this. These two factors are going to cancel, these two factors, and these two factors. So when we complete that cancellation, we're left with 5 times the quantity p minus 2 minus 3 times the quantity 2p plus 3 equals 4 times the quantity p minus 2. And you can see that all the fractions have been eliminated, leaving behind a beautiful linear equation that should be much easier to solve. So what I'm going to do now is finish up this example by solving this linear equation. So I'm going to distribute each coefficient into the factors. Then I will combine like terms. And then last but not least, divide both sides by 5. So p is equal to negative 11/5. And that right there is our solution.